Is there a right time and place for reactive maintenance? Most teams will encounter reactive maintenance periodically because equipment failure just can't be perfectly predicted. The industry rule of thumb says to aim for only 20% of your maintenance time to be devoted to reactive maintenance. In reality, teams spend somewhere between 34 to 45% of their time on reactive maintenance. There are exceptions, of course. Some industries that rely on remote assets will always be a bit more reactive, because the cost of running preventive maintenance is just too high. But generally speaking, reactive maintenance should be reserved for components that are inexpensive, easy to replace, and where failure does not cause collateral damage in the system.